Changing users in Windows 10 might seem simple, but the number of options can confuse you. I get it. You're working, someone else needs the computer, and suddenly you're fumbling through menus trying to log out properly. Let's fix that. The easiest way? Use the Start menu. Click the Start icon at the screen's bottom left. Look at the column of icons on the left-hand side. Near the top, you'll see your profile picture, or maybe a generic silhouette. Click it. When you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu should appear. You'll see an option called Switch User. Click that and it will take you directly to the login screen where you can select another user account. Easy, right? Here's where some people mess up. They assume sign out is the same as switch user. It's not. Signing out closes all your apps, which could result in lost work. If you need to save your workflow, avoid signing out unless it's unavoidable. Pro tip: use Ctrl-Alt-Delete as a shortcut. When you press that combo, a blue screen pops up with a bunch of options. Choose Switch User and boom, you're at the login screen again. No fumbling through the Start menu. Here's another way. Utilize the lock screen shortcut. Press Windows key L on your keyboard. This locks your current session and takes you to the login screen. From there, select another account. Plus, it's great for securing your account in shared spaces. What if the other user doesn't have a password? Click their account and it logs in super fast. If they do have a password, they'll need to enter it. Tip for shared computers: short, memorable passwords make switches so much less painful. Pain point: sometimes you can't find the switch user option. If that happens, it's likely an account permissions issue. Admins can disable fast user switching. If this is a work computer and the option's missing, you'll need to talk to an IT person. Annoying, right? Another issue: slow account loading. If switching users takes forever, it could mean the other account uses too many startup programs. Encourage other users to disable unnecessary apps from starting automatically. It'll make life easier for everyone. If you're entirely new to managing accounts, let me add a quick step. Go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users. From there, you can add new accounts or manage existing ones. That way, everyone has their own space on the computer. Pro tip number 2. Use local accounts for guests. They won't need Microsoft login credentials, and it keeps things simple, just like loaning someone a bike instead of handing over the keys to your car. Less hassle, fewer risks. For multitaskers, Windows 10 lets you switch without completely leaving your session. When you log back into your account, everything should be as you left it. But I'll warn you, shutting down the computer while someone else is logged in can result in data loss. Managing user switches in Windows 10 is ultimately about efficiency and keeping everyone happy. Know your shortcuts, avoid common mistakes, and keep things organized. Honestly, these little tweaks can save you hours over time. You'll wonder why you didn't streamline this sooner.